Extractability are specialists in the design, installation and support of fitted, ducted, filtering fume extraction systems for workshops, factories and industrial environments. Fitted filtration units for fumes, dust and vapours can save valuable workspace and can be located inside or outside the workshop. An indoor installation keeps the recirculated, clean, filtered air within the working area, helping to optimise ambient temperature cost effectively. A range of solutions are available for welding, grinding and fabrication, from simple systems serving 1 or 2 bays, up to large multi-arm systems serving as many as 24 stations from a single cabinet, each with a multi-level filter set, dust collector and an optional self-cleaning feature. Extractability provide a selection of articulated positional extraction arms and ventilation hoods with adjustable dampers to complement the fitted cabinets. A full turnkey installation service is provided and each system is thoroughly examined and tested, with a detailed commissioning report supplied at handover. And for the lifetime of your system, Extractability can provide reliable annual inspection, retesting and reporting to ensure you remain compliant with the stringent health and safety regulations. So, if you are reviewing your fume control, dust capture and ventilation requirements for your workshop or factory, contact Extractability today to discuss your options and arrange an initial survey. Learn more at extractability.eu.